Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jerry, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about motivation today and also about how much coffee I need to stay awake.
Oh, yeah. Motivation and coffee. Two very powerful things.
Very powerful. Honestly, without coffee, I'm like a very slow turtle.
Same. My brain doesn't wake up until about maybe 10 a.m.
It's so funny that today's topic is motivation because I woke up feeling the complete opposite of motivated.
Perfect timing. But wait, we should introduce ourselves first, right? For anyone watching today?
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Jerry. I live in the U.S., and I love helping people learn English through simple conversations.
And I'm Tom. I also live in the U.S., and I enjoy talking about real-life topics that help you sound more natural in English.
And today, we're talking about...
Dun, 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 dun. Motivation. How to talk about motivation in English.
how to say when you feel motivated,
How to say when you don't.
and how to explain what helps you stay motivated.
This is something everyone struggles with, even native speakers.
Oh, 100%. Even this morning.
So let's start slow. Jerry, on a scale of 1 to 10, how motivated are you today?
Maybe a 6. I'm not super motivated, but I'm not 0 either. I'm like, okay, I can do this.
Okay, I can do this. That's a good level. What about you? I'm about a 7 today, but yesterday I was a 2, maybe even a 1.
Oh no, what happened?
Nothing big, just one of those days when everything feels slow. I sat at my desk and thought, do I really have to work today?
Oh, those days happen to everyone.
Exactly. Motivation goes up and down. It's normal.
So let's start slow. When you have motivation, you can say, I feel motivated. I feel excited to work. I'm ready to start. I'm full of energy.
Or, I'm in the mood to get things done. I feel inspired today.
Yes, very natural.
And when you don't have motivation, you can say, I'm not feeling very motivated. I feel lazy today. I can't focus. I don't feel like doing anything.
Or one of my favorites, I'm struggling today.
Oh, yeah, we all say that one. So let me tell you a story. Last year, I decided I wanted to wake up early, every morning. I told myself, Tom, you're going to wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Very strong plan.
I feel like this story ends badly.
Oh, very badly. Day 1, I woke up at 6 a.m. I felt great. Day 2, I woke up at 6:15. Still okay. Day 3, 7:30. Day 4, 9 a.m. Day 5, I didn't even remember I had a goal.
Oh no, that is so relatable.
My motivation lasted maybe 2 days.
That's how motivation works sometimes. It comes in waves. I have a story too. A few years ago, I wanted to learn the guitar. I bought a guitar, I watched videos, I told all my friends, I'm going to learn.
Yeah, the big announcement stage.
Exactly. And for the first week, I was so motivated. I practiced every day.
And then?
And then motivation disappeared like magic. After 2 weeks, the guitar became furniture.
Yes, a beautiful decoration.
I still have it. I still tell myself one day.
One day. Another useful thing is explaining why you're motivated. You can say, I want to improve myself. I want a better future. I want to feel proud of myself. I want to be healthy. I want to help my family.
Yes, and reasons can be small too. I want to finish this project. I want to clean my room. I want to feel organized.
Motivation doesn't always need to be big and dramatic.
Sometimes it's just, I want to feel better today.
Now let's talk about losing motivation. In English, you can say, I lost my motivation. I feel burned out. I feel tired. I feel unmotivated. I just don't have the energy today.
And a very natural American phrase is, I hit a wall.
Yes, that means you suddenly stop. You can't continue.
Happens to me all the time, especially when I work too long.
Same. The brain says, nope, we're done. Okay, so Jerry, what motivates you?
Good question. Music motivates me. A clean workspace motivates me. And honestly, when I make a plan, like a simple to-do list, I feel more motivated.
Yeah, planning helps a lot.
What about you?
For me, new ideas motivate me, talking to excited people motivate me, and sometimes good weather motivates me.
Oh yes, sunshine can change everything.
Absolutely. One sunny morning can make you feel like a superhero.
True. You know, motivation is really connected to emotions.
Definitely. If you feel stressed, your motivation goes down. If you feel excited, your motivation goes up.
And sometimes your motivation changes for no reason at all.
Yep. Human beings are complicated.
Very complicated. Do you ever feel pressure to always be motivated?
Oh, yes. Social media shows people working hard every day, studying all day, exercising at 5 a.m. It makes you feel like you're doing something wrong if you're not motivated.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Nobody is motivated all the time.
Nobody. Not me, not you, not even those people on social media.
And it's okay to rest. It's okay to slow down. It's okay to feel unmotivated sometimes.
Because motivation comes back.
Yes, it always comes back if you give yourself time.
So, if you're learning English and you want to talk about motivation, remember, use simple phrases. Be honest. It's okay to say, I'm not motivated today. And it's okay to say, I feel excited today.
English is not just about grammar. It's about expressing real feelings. And motivation is a real, everyday feeling.
Exactly. And if you're learning English right now, well, that already shows you are motivated.
That's true. You showed up today, you listened, you learned something new.
And that's motivation in action.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Yeah, thank you. And remember, together, take small steps
Stay kind to yourself.
and keep going.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.